seismic resisting building. So now first we have to define load patterns. Load patterns, as you can see, dead and live load, we have to add new load. So here in the load case define seismic. Okay, now you can change it to seismic dead to none co. Here change with the IS code. Here IS 1893-2016, here IS 1893-2002. As you see, you can use both code. You can either both code. Uh, let's we are using IS 1893-2016. It is new, so I and add new load. As I added, now we have to modify the related load. Here new dialog box open. We have to then only in x direction, y direction. Then we have to only mark x direction, y direction. Here you can see the seismic zone factor Z. These values are considered by using the code. Here we are using IS 1893-2016. Now I have some clip of this code uh, for seismic zone factor. We are designing this building for Bengaluru. So now Bengaluru is considered uh, in blue zone area. Blue zone area is June zone second. Blue zone area comes in zone second. So zone second, तो seismic zone Z की वैल्यू टेबल 2 से लेंगे. This is point 1. uh, you can see in IS code all the things. Hey, it is a site type. It is asking for site type. Now this is the site type. Site type 1 rock or hard soil, type 2 medium soil, type 3 soft soil. We are using it type 2 medium soil. Now using type 2 medium soil. Okay, now it is asking for importance factor. Now we also using IS 1893-2016. So here you can see in table 6 importance factor. For all other buildings it is 1. Residential building which are normal buildings we taken is 1. So now we have taken IS importance factor is 1. Okay, you can top in story 6 and bottom story is best. It is program calculator, so it can calculate according to its uh, according to the dimension of the building. Now we use response reduction factor. So now we use for response reduction factor table number 7 of IS 1893 part 1. तो for ordinary RCM resisting frame OMRF to फर्स्ट के लिए हम रेस्पॉन्स रिडक्शन फैक्टर की वैल्यू है यार 3 बाय टेबल नंबर 7 इन IS 1893 code. So it we change it 5 to 3. Then okay, now it's defined. Okay, yeah, load pattern is defined. Now load combination. Here you see there is many more load combination defined. We can delete combo and we add default design combo. We are using concrete frame design. Then okay, then you can see there is dead load combination are considered. Okay, this time we are designing it only for seismic resistance building. So now we don't now there is no need to add specialized load. So we go for analysis, then we use set load catch menu. Here you can see time history function. This is previous defined, so we are not using only we are using here seismic live or dead, not other. We are designing it for simple building, so we are using it dead, live on seismic. Seismic we are the run position only dead, live and seismic baki and model. There is no need for time history function for the simple design and run now. It is taking time, so we speed up the video. Here you can see that there is a deflection or displacement in the 3D view. uh, you can see there, you can see displacement, buggy, and anything that you want. You can all the thing displacement like fourth stage diagram, frame by spindle link, all the thing you can see, like shear tutu you can see, and you can see moment theory. All the things you want to see you can see in this. Okay. uh, Now display anything that you want, display storage response plan, aki, and other thing. Now you have to design concrete frame design. So first here you have to check that it is designed by IS 450 2000. Now it is checked, then okay. Now concrete frame design, and then start. It is taking time. Now you can see that the process is going on like these lights. Here screen show complete, just taking time. In this plan you can see the the bottom dia and the upper dia in the beam. Here you can see in this 3D view you can see also. Now we put design check in this. You also can see here. This is a reinforcement details in a beam column. Here you can see all the detailings uh, for a beam, for a column, for a slab. Okay. Now you can see all the things you want here. 192, all the things are the reinforcement details. Now you have to check that your design, all the verify all members passed. You can see here a dialog is open in this all concrete frames passed design. It means your building is safe. Now you can check the report of your model, project report. If you want project report, go for project report, summary report, anything that you want. Here you can see more table, display, model,